Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm standing here because I'm super excited to present you one of the plans that I've been working for quite some time, and that is called YouTube membership plans. Yes, you guys are waiting for it. You guys are asking for it, and I've been working on it for quite some time. And finally, I'm out with three type plans for YouTube membership, which primarily focused on crypto trading and, of course, knowledge related to crypto. If you are a beginner or an expert or a pro in trading, well, these plans will help you get started in the right direction if you want to be consistent and make profitable journey in the crypto industry. Now again, I have divided the plan into three tiers: silver, gold, and platinum. Each tier will have its own set of benefit, with platinum being the highest and the premium feature that you will receive in the membership plan. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about the membership. And if you have any question in it, well, I'm here to answer you. You can comment below, let me know, or ping me on Telegram, DM me on Telegram. I'm there available answering to your questions. And let's make this journey a profitable, successful journey in crypto trading, keeping the end goal in mind, and that is financial freedom and knowledge and giving. So let's get started. Let's talk about the YouTube memberships. So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel, Katoch X Crypto, and right here now you can see the join button right over here, in which you can click and of course join the membership. I will come to that just in a moment. And also I also have another channel, which is my trading channel, which is Katoch X Crypto Trading. The membership is also live on this particular channel, so you can join any of the channel to begin your membership journey. Now going back to the plan, which is right over here, click on the join option. You will see three options: silver, gold, and platinum, each having its own set of benefit, with silver being the beginning part, which means if you're someone who's starting a journey in the crypto community or starting a journey in the crypto industry and wanted to navigate or get started in the right direction, then silver is the one for you. It has a dedicated broadcast channel on Telegram, which will keep you updated every time. Of course, I will talk about more features just in a moment. Then we have gold membership. Gold is for those who are seeking value, who are already part of the crypto community, crypto industry, and now they are seeking value to make money within this industry. This particular membership include trading lesson and a special VIP Telegram group for one-to-one communication. Now remember, the gold member will also have access to silver membership features, which means if you're holding gold membership, you also have silver membership by default. Now when you talk about platinum, which is by default a premium version or premium membership of my channel, this includes all the features of silver, gold, and platinum combined. So if you take the platinum membership, you are getting the broadcast channel, you're getting the VIP community, you're also getting access to a special premium X community, which is building exclusively for the platinum members. Remember, this includes basic to advanced training of trading lessons, advanced information, advanced alpha search, and many more. Which means if you're someone who's looking to be profitable, make a consistent effort in being a profitable trader, well, this is the one you should join. If you're wanting to know what it is, how it works, all the features will be discussed next. So let's move on. Let's talk about the features one by one. Here I have segregated each membership along with the feature. Let me take you through one by one so that you can understand it better. So look at here. We start with weekly market watch. This is for those who want to get started with trading and they want to know what is going on in the market on a weekly basis. This is included in silver, gold, and platinum. Similarly, there will be private trading group. In silver, we have a broadcasting channel. So once you join it, for example, let's say I join platinum. So once I joined here, this is how it looks like. I go to membership. So membership tab will be opened, and here you can see all the perks. When I click on priority silver membership, which is also part of silver, you can see the link right over here. This link can be used to join the silver broadcast channel only for the silver membership holder. Similarly, you have other groups for gold and also for platinum. Now let's go back and talk about emoji badges will be there. Invitation to the webinars will be there, in which we learn on a monthly basis a special topic that is chosen for you for basics and also for the advanced, how to get started into trading and how to make money fast while being learning on the sidelines. Now again, when we go down here, these are the features offered to silver, the one on tick marks, the one on tick are offered to gold here, and one on tick are offered to the platinum. You can see clearly the platinum is having all the features of the membership that I'm offering. So clearly platinum is going to be a premium segment because it requires me a lot of effort to put in to make you guys consistent and profitable while discussing and doing mentorship alongside. Now again, look at here, daily weekly setups will be there. It will be offered to gold and platinum. Then we go to priority response on Telegram, of course. Then we have shorts, advanced trading lessons. By the way, the trading lessons basics will be covered in the gold. It will be part of the gold membership. So if you want to start with trading lessons, well, you should opt for gold. And if you want to include the pro version of the lessons, which means the advanced version of the lesson that can make you profitable on the day trading or swing trading, well, then you should go for platinum, keeping in mind that you have your basic cleared. Again, go down here, we have live trading session. That is a special feature offered only to the platinum members, which means we are going to do a live trading in front of the screen in the real time and see how the trade goes and what can be learned from them. Plus, there will be a reward feature. There will be dollar rewards, USDT rewards that will result for platinum, and likewise. And also talking about the membership, there will be a special community based upon your category, based upon your level, silver, gold, or platinum. Like I said, silver member will receive a special broadcast Telegram group. They will be part of it, and every update will be shared with them on a daily basis. Gold members, on the other hand, will be part of a Telegram group for one-to-one communication, while platinum will have all the feature, including a special platinum x community access, which is also part of the Twitter program. So these are all the features you can take a look at. And if you have any question, comment below, let me know which plan you want to join. Well, let me just brief it quickly for you. Silver is for those who want to be stay in touch with the market, they want to have the weekly updates, and they want to start their journey into crypto trading in the right direction. Gold is for those who are already in crypto industry and they want to get ahead from the current position to the next level, starting with trading lessons, trading, learning, earning money from crypto, and likewise. And we talk about platinum. Platinum covers all of it, which means it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, advanced, or pro. Platinum members will have it all. They will have all the membership, they will have all the communities access, and of course, they will have the premium access to the premium setups and of course the premium calls that I will share with them on a weekly or a daily basis. Remember, I gave you Peanut, I gave you Hippo, and I also gave you some of the most important tokens when no one was talking about it. Platinum members will receive them all in the first go. So that's about the membership. And with that, you should click the join button and join it right away. The link is shared below, and make sure to drop your question in the comment section or DM me on Telegram, and I will be there supporting you. Let's make trading a profitable journey throughout. With that, I complete my video. Let's meet in the membership plan and let's get started.